Hi friends. Today I'll tell you a small story in very simple English. Listen carefully and try to understand the words. Let's begin. This is a story about a boy named Adam. One day, Adam took a bus to go to school. He was sleepy, so he sat near the window and closed his eyes. When the bus stopped, Adam quickly got down. But he forgot his bag on the bus. His school books, his lunch, and his homework were all inside that bag. Adam felt sad. He said, "Oh no, my bag is gone." He told his teacher what happened. The teacher said, "It's okay, Adam. Let's try to find it." Later that day, the bus driver came back to school. He had the bag in his hand. Adam was so happy. He smiled and said, "Thank you so much." The driver smiled too and said, "Next time, check before you get off." Adam laughed and said, "Yes, I will." Let's remember the lesson. Always check your seat before you leave the bus. New words you learned. Forgot. Bag. Driver. Homework. Happy. You can try to repeat these words now. Thanks for listening to this small story. See you in the next video.